like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning to everybody. It's another day in the vlog. I don't know if this vlog is now separated or I just mixed everything together, but good morning. We are in Polokwane, as you guys saw in the previous clips that we've been traveling. We're staying at a place called Polokwane Estate Lodge. It is just by the R71, if I'm not mistaken. I hope I'm saying it right. But yeah, you guys should check it out whenever you're traveling, going to Limpopo. We're here for a family friend's wedding. So yeah, it's the morning of the wedding. The weather is, but we're gonna make the most of it. I hope it just doesn't rain. It is cold. We're actually expecting it to be very sunny, but it's currently like really cold and windy, but it's not raining, which is good. So yeah, I just took a shower and I'm about to beat my face and then yeah, finish getting ready and put on our outfits. Then we're gonna go. But before we get to that place, I think we're gonna go for breakfast. We're gonna look for a breakfast place that's nearby. I'm actually not sure if this place offers breakfast, but we're not gonna have it here. Guys, I seriously need to go do my makeup or else we're gonna be late.
Sometimes it feels like I'll never go past you. Sometimes it feels like forever, ever. But I'm going high, closer to God. I'm going high, higher.
Welcome to Vlogtober. It's the start of a new week. Today it's actually raining, as you guys can see. Like my car is like all wet and stuff. Well, the plan today, I just need to go and do groceries. I haven't been at my place in weeks, if not 2 weeks. Yeah, so I need groceries and I also need to relax my hair. Actually, I'm not sure what to do with my hair, so I just thought of going to relax it. As you guys can see, I have my mom's Duke on. Yeah, just trying to cover up the mess that's in here, but I'm going to relax my hair. I don't know if I should do that first then go do groceries. I don't know, but I'm actually really hungry. Maybe I'll grab a smoothie, go do my hair because that's not gonna take time. Then probably grab breakfast before I do my groceries because really I'm just really having a very slow day. I hope you guys enjoy my Vlogtober series. I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope you like it. Please and subscribe, share the video and comments so I get to interact with you guys. Yeah, thank you so much and enjoy.
Sometimes it feels like I'll never go past you. Sometimes it feels like forever, ever. And I'm going high, closer to that. I'm going high, higher. Sometimes you just have to let go. Lean on my fears to burn down. Push them all away so I can move on.
Hey guys, I just finished doing my hair, as you guys can see. Just tied it at the back, nothing hectic, just only relaxed. I didn't braid or anything. I don't know when I'm gonna do that actually. I also don't know what my next hairstyle is. I don't know, but yeah, this is what I did. And right now I think I'm gonna go to the mall, grab something to eat because I am so hungry. Then I will have the energy to go and do my groceries and go home. Right now the time is currently 13:42. Yeah, let's just go and do that. Honestly, I'm too hungry, I can't even speak.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go.
Hey guys, so I'm at Woolworths right now. I'm actually almost done doing my groceries. I hope you guys can hear me, but I'm almost done doing my groceries. There's just some stuff that that I think I have to go elsewhere for, but I'm gonna do that. Actually, I'm just gonna think of which other grocery store to go to look for these things that's actually close by because I am a bit tired. I want to go home. So yeah, when I'm done here, I'm actually gonna go to Discam. I don't know if I should go to Clicks or Discam just to get cosmetics, and then I will be heading home. So guys, this is what I was getting at Discam. I was just getting some dental floss, mouthwash, pencil liners. I am actually trying this body wash out. I love trying body wash and just different, scents because I really love scents. Then I just got these things for my hair since I have my natural hair out now. Yeah, that's all. No, actually, I need to get some tissue. I need to get some tissue. Oh, and then I'm gonna go pay and leave. So yeah guys, that's all I was getting here at Discam. Now I'm just gonna head to the till. Yeah, I think that's all I needed to get today. if I forgot anything, I'll say it on another day because I'm tired and I'm starting to feel nauseous. And what usually helps when I have that is, what's this, 20 quarter. I need to get 20 quarter. Then, yeah. Hey guys, it's the next day in the vlog. Hope you guys are still doing good. I hope you're well. So today actually I just decided last minute that I want to have a bit of a maintenance day. I only decided because I saw that I have time, so let's just make use of it. I don't really have time because I have to go to work later. But yeah, I just did my brows now. That was the first thing I wanted to do. Like, I needed to do my brows were looking crazy, so I had to thread them. I just threaded my brows, and then now I need to go do my hair. And also, I don't even know what I want to do with my hair. I'll just see when I get to my hair lady. And yeah, that'll be all. I passed by and I got some lunch. I got some Nando's. I didn't want to get any unhealthy lunch. I feel like Nando's actually has like better, healthier options. So I passed by there and got some lunch. Yeah, I'm just gonna have my lunch. Then after, I'm gonna head to get my hair done. Then hopefully I don't finish too late. Then I'm gonna go home.
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yarn. Fear in my mind is a warning. Praying to the one you're inviting. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind behind. All these thoughts are troubling me. Ready to give up my name. Ready to be on my way, my mind. Wanting to be other side. Ready to leave my life. Ready try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need Ghana. I really need Ghana. I really need Ghana. I really need, I need to see my mind out. I really need Ghana. I really need to see Ghana. I really need Ghana. Oh yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy.
Hey guys, it's the next day in the vlog, and as you guys can see, I did my hair yesterday, but I think yesterday I showed it much nicer. I love it so much. I just really wanted like simple braids, nothing hectic, because honestly I feel like I've just exhausted all the hairstyles. I was just like scrolling, I'm like, what am I gonna do with my hair? I scrolled and scrolled looking for like, ideas, and I realized I might have did all the hairstyles because I'm always in cornrows, seriously. Yeah, the only thing that is left for me to do really, like with regards to my maintenance, is my lashes, because these look so ghetto. Yeah, I need to do my lashes, but yeah, we'll see when I get to make an appointment. Today is actually a Sunday. It's a Sunday. I came back from work this morning and I took a really, really long nap, woke up, freshened up, and now I am gonna head out. The time is it's after 1. I'm not sure really exactly what time it is, but the plan is to go and get my car washed. It needs like a proper wash, especially on the inside. Hopefully I don't get there and it's like really, really full, because I don't like taking my car to the car wash. Usually my brother does it for me, and I feel like I'm just too spoiled. I don't really take it myself, honestly, so I just feel like it's such a chore having to take my car to the car wash. So now I actually have to do it on my own. I'm just hoping there's not a lot of people there. I mean, it's a Sunday. Most probably there will be a lot of cars. So I'm praying that's not the case. But yeah, and it's so hot. It is so hot. I had to put on my sunscreen. Actually, I need to change my sunscreen. I need to change it. I also need to buy like a body sunscreen, because wow, this side of the country is hot. If you know, you know. Yo guys, let's go get my car washed and come back, because I have work later. I'm working my last night shift. Whoop whoop. I can't wait to be off. I cannot wait to be off.
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my journey. Fear in my mind is a bone, yeah. Ready to the one you're inviting. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind behind. All these thoughts are trouble me. Ready to give up my day. Ready to be on my way, my mind. Wanting to be on that side. Ready to leave my life. Ready try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need Ghana. I really need Ghana. I really need Ghana. I really need, I need to see my mind out. I really need Ghana. I really need different Ghana. I really need Ghana. Oh yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Tell me love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot break, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. I'm behind, my mind behind. All these thoughts are trouble me. Ready to give up my day. Ready to be on my way, my mind. Ready to the other side. When it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my journey. Fear in my mind is a bone, yeah. Ready to go.
Hey guys, welcome back to yet another day in the vlog. As usual, I'm driving. I'm going somewhere. I'm always going somewhere. Oh, you guys. So today, I just wanted to have like a bit of a self-care day. I am going to this place. I've never been there before. I booked for a foot peel and a foot massage. Yeah, like my feet need some loving. Seriously, after this whole night shift I've had, like I'm so exhausted. So I really felt like I needed. Oh, the sun is doing its things, literally. So yeah, I'm on my way there. My appointment is at 2 o'clock, and the time right now it's currently 10 minutes to 2. Is it 10 minutes to 2 or somewhere there? But I actually wanted to grab something to eat first before I go there. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Hey, I just wanna relax, you know, reboot.
So heartbreak no good for me, but you feel so good to me. Every time I come back I try to leave. So how you end up back with me? Oh, say what I want is something that ain't good for my health. And I've been searching but I can't get no help. And I don't feel like myself. Oh, yeah. That's why I was taking blue for real. This time I'll be blue for real. After this time I'll be blue for real. I'll be doing shit I really shouldn't do for me. Yeah. That's why I was taking blue for real. This time I'll be blue for real. This time I'll be blue for real. I can feel them walk.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are good. I hope you're well. I just realized that this video actually doesn't have an outro, so I wanted to quickly do that and wrap it up. So if you're watching this at this point, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching until this far. Yeah, please do like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. See you guys on the next episode of Vlogtober.